Hello, and welcome to the one and only channel on YouTube dedicated to educating the viewers on how to improve financial literacy. Perhaps this is one of the best eras in human history that we are part of right now. The chance we have before us is crazy, but if we seize it, we can add a lot of money to our bank accounts. In this video, you will learn how to use the 2022 recession as a profitable event. You will learn where and how to best invest your money to maximize your profits by making millions. So subscribe to this channel and hit the like button, and let's begin this video. Just to get things started, here are the 4 main takeaways from this video. Number 1. We'll define a recession and explain why it's really a positive thing. Number 2. What kinds of firms are best to launch in a down economy and why it's simpler to do so. Number 3. How to invest during a downturn and maybe increase your wealth by tenfold or more. Number 4. What is the greatest strategy for the next 24 to 48 months to generate millions and millions of dollars from this forthcoming opportunity or recession? 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP constitute, simply put, a bear market and a subsequent recession indicate that the economy is contracting rather than expanding. A 20% drop from the highs defies a bear market. Bear markets are sometimes followed by economic downturns. Why, therefore, should we welcome economic downturns? The economy operates in this fashion, period. It's expansion, and it includes a time of refinement and expansion. But it also includes the nuts and bolts of strategy. And what exactly makes it so beneficial? Employee costs, product costs, asset prices, and investment returns are revert to their original levels, which is a positive thing. Anything that has increased in value in the past, such as equities, gold commodities, real estate, and cryptocurrency, may be purchased at steep discounts. The conclusion of the recession heralds the start of a lengthy period of expansion, providing an opening for new entrants to the market. Reduced demand and more supply contribute to lower pricing during recessions. The goal of the revival is to restore normalcy by filling the hole and discovering innovative means of allocating these resources. The government's plan B for dealing with the inflation they've stoked involves raising interest rates, which drives up borrowing costs and pushes the economy into a soft recession. The prices of stocks, real estate, and commodities are all likely to fall over the course of time, which is a welcome development. So that's what recession is, huh? Have you got any idea of recessions? Comment your thoughts below. Also, hit the like button of this video to boost its algorithm. Recessions are good for creating wealth. Create a business that generates cash flow and start putting money away as soon as you can. If you have a secure employment, you are able to create a budget and save money for it. But during a recession, many individuals lose their job, and that outcome is not guaranteed. To never get fired, be your own boss and work at your own place, your own time and your own space. Aim to amass a sizable amount of liquid assets, cash, savings account, etc., so that you may begin investing in around 6 to 8 months. Also, try to surround yourself with more successful, financially stable individuals who have seen recession before and know what to expect. Another factor in how quickly word gets around is the quality of the individuals in your immediate vicinity. You should avoid wasting money and you should network with the suitable individuals. You need to take advantage of this opportunity, which is happening right now. Even if you only have $10,000 or $15,000, save as much money as you can because opportunities like this don't come around very often. This is a chance, and it's happening right now, and you need to take advantage of it. This is how people become financially successful and highly rich in their own right. If you are going to relocate, now is the time to do so, because the more you spend during this downturn, when everything is cheap, and the longer you can cling onto it, Eventually, it will bottom out and start heading back up. If you are going to move, now is the time to do it. Every one of the assets that you purchase during the period of special pricing will start increasing in value and eventually reach new records highs. If you invest on the consistent basis and continue doing so, you may increase the amount of money you have significantly over time. You're going to be in much better mood after the roller coaster ride is over. Your net worth should be increased by 3 to 5 years. Where do you even begin? Which high-profit, low-investment company idea can you launch today? The greatest bet is in the internet firm that is both extremely scalable and crucial to the survival of other enterprises. Making other companies want to spend more money is the greatest approach to become indispensable to them. However, a service-based agency centered on a single talent is an excellent enterprise to launch. Did I hear that right? Did you just say we should want companies to spend more money? Isn't it the other way around? Well, let's see. Continue watching this video. Another great and excellent thing to accomplish currently is to take on freelance work that aids others and helps other firms succeed financially. Then, start a channel on YouTube. Who could forget that? I don't see how starting so many of them could be simpler in a down economy. The cost of borrowing money decreases. Good employees are simpler to find. Poor companies fail and competition decreases. It makes place for and facilitates the development of promising new enterprises. Finally, where do you recommend putting your money at this time? Once you have saved enough money, you should begin investing in crypto stocks via dollar cost averaging in real estate. If you're going to invest, prepare to be uninteresting. The most prudent strategy is to take things slowly and steadily over the following several years. Using a dollar cost average approach, that's the best solution we can think of. Simply take advantage of this enormous chance while making prudent judgments. But who can say for sure? We will just have to wait and see what transpires. Don't be alarmed, and I'm not trying to frighten you or anything else, but history has shown that every single recession is followed by a bull market. The moment to make your move could not be better than it is right now. And that ends our video for today. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And please share your ideas with me in the comments section. I'm interested in what you have to say. Having said that, make sure you subscribe and enable notifications so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. See you in the next one!